My name is Jennifer Whitlock, and I'm here at Woodstock Furniture and Mattress Outlet, where we have custom to closeout. We have high-end products like Vanguard and Bradington-Young, and we also carry Sam Moore. So for your upscale needs, we've got you covered. On Wednesdays, we offer private appointments. So there's, not a lot of people in the store, so you would be able to have one-on-one with your designer or one of our designers, and then one of our consultants can facilitate your order for you. But we do encourage the Wednesday appointments for designers and decorators, and also real estate agents. We do offer a discount for that. So if you need any information, please call the store and ask for a web team member, and we'll be happy to help you. Here at Woodstock Furniture and Mattress Outlet, we have Capris Furniture, which you can customize from your arms, your legs, your cushion, how many cushions you would like. So it's completely yours, no one else will have it. And universal, also you can customize, and Kincaid is also one of our favorites. We also carry Decor-Rest. They're a Canadian family-owned company. They're the largest furniture manufacturer in Canada, so we're super excited to have them and to represent them in our stores. And they have many different fabric options and choices, leather, they have storage in the sectional with power, so it's something you really should come and see here at Woodstock. We look forward to seeing you next Wednesday, September 22nd at our open house, which is 10 to 1. We'll be serving light refreshments. You can have the whole store to yourself with your guest or client or whomever you'd like to bring with you. See you then.